5-star reviews can change the game for businesses in incredible ways. Jonah just left us a glowing review on Google, praising our outstanding customer service. Hugh, one of our team's stars, played a crucial role in Jonah's positive experience. Another happy customer stated they had a great experience with Hugh at NiceJobs. Customers rave about Hugh's ability to walk them through every detail of the platform. Clients appreciate the useful tips and advice provided during their calls, making them feel valued. One reviewer expressed gratitude for securing 5-star ratings quickly in the Phoenix Valley. Our platform simplifies the review process, making it a breeze for customers to share feedback. Uploading a CSV file allowed one business to kickstart their campaign effortlessly. Support from individuals like Valerie shines through in clients' testimonials about technical assistance. Valerie is frequently recognized for her courteous, timely, and instructive tech support. Jason, who received accolades for breaking down the software in an understandable way. Customers feel empowered to embrace our software, quickly grasping its many benefits. Each feedback moment reveals a deeper connection between our team and our valued clients. Pablo Hernandez, another satisfied client, shared hopes for future business opportunities with us. Handy experiences, like those shared about Hugh's attentiveness, highlight our commitment to our clients. Hugh's meticulous inquiries ensure that our customers' needs are fully addressed. The phrase "great job" keeps popping up in our latest client testimonials, and it says a lot. Companies like Spotless Painting are enjoying the benefits of our robust software. Many believe that the customer service at NiceJob sets us apart in the competitive market. Reviews continue to flood in, and each one tells a story of satisfaction and success. Feedback showcases our team's dedication to making software use a seamless experience. Clients commend Hugh for making the setup process incredibly easy and stress-free. Hugh's support not only aids in setup, but also enriches the overall user experience. Users express their appreciation for expert guidance when navigating through our platform. Positive sentiments about our customer team strengthen the bonds we have with our clients. A shared commitment to excellence in service inspires trust and loyalty among users. The impact of effective software is evident in the transformations we see in businesses. Quick responses and helpful tips contribute to our clients' confidence in using NiceJob. Continuing to hear success stories motivates us to improve and innovate relentlessly. Empowering businesses transforms their approach to customer relationships and feedback. Your success is our success, and together we navigate the path to customer satisfaction.